Hello, Ricky and Aryan. Um, I really enjoyed looking at your science cat. It's one of the better ones. You've got a lot of information there. Um, but rather than just list all of this information, and I love this bit, how you've labeled it, where you've got the food storage and domed because of the high winds that they have. Um, this was great, the underground pods, and I especially like this bit stuff and other stuff, which was a bit funny. Um, so you've listed the pros and cons of moving to Mars, which is really good as well. And you've got a whole page on pros and a whole page on cons. And yeah, dust storms and low temperatures at night are a pain. Um, and You've listed the seasons, and in addition, the other two seasons that Mars has because of the tilt. So that was really good information. Um, the pros and cons is okay. You've talked about evidence of water, but you haven't talked about renewable resources. You haven't talked about harnessing the wind or um, using the low temperatures or high temperatures to generate energy, that sort of thing. And other than using this information here, or the Mars information, you needed to take that and turn it into more like a pamphlet. So, for example, almost 70% of Earth's surface. Oh, hang on, not Earth. We don't want Earth. We want Mars info. Um, so we've got low temperatures, um, midday temperatures. So you can talk about, sunbaking, for example. There's lots of iron, so it's a wealthy planet. So, the resorts are fantastic. um, so you need to use the Mars information and use that to sell your planet, make it sound like it's somewhere you would like to go. So maybe take the negatives and turn them into positives. Anyway, it's a great assignment. You've included all the information that you were expected to. You've got a bibliography. You've even got a glossary or definitions, even though um, you've used an ellipsis. The definition is for language, not for science, but that's okay. Um, a few more references would have been good. So using a few more websites rather than three. Oh, hang on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not too bad. 7 is good. So thank you, Ricky and Ariane. I'm going to give you a very high. Congratulations, and I'll see you later.